Spring is in the air, and so is this fun trivia quiz. Can you guess which flower went viral on TikTok or which country has a giant water fight festival? Let's find out. Ready, set, bloom. 1. Which flower's TikTok bloom time-lapse trend broke the internet in 2023? B. Corpse flower. 2. What do Japan's Hanami festivals celebrate? B. Cherry blossoms. 3. Which country hosts a flower battle where people throw blooms at each other? A. Spain. 4. What spring festival involves throwing colored powder? C. Holi. 5. Which animal predicts spring by seeing its shadow? A. Groundhog. 6. What's the number 1 flower emoji used in spring Instagram captions? C. Tulip. 7. Which country's spring festival Sogakran is a giant water fight? B. Thailand. 8. What's the first day of spring called? A. Equinox. 9. Which flower is toxic to cats but still a spring favorite? C. Lily. 10. What do the Dutch call their tulip season spectacle? B. Keukenhof. 11. Which spring festival marks the Persian New Year? A. Nowruz. 12. What fruit's blossom is a symbol of spring in Washington, D.C.? A. Cherry. 13. Which bird famously returns in spring, per folklore? C. Swallow. 14. What's the number 1 allergy trigger during spring? B. Pollen. 15. Which country dyes its river green for St. Patrick's Day in spring? C. USA, Chicago. 16. What flower is nicknamed April's child? A. Daisy. 17. Which festival features giant puppets and fire jumps in spring? B. Las Fallas. 18. What's Easter Bunny's favorite snack? C. Carrots. 19. Which country celebrates White House Spring Garden Tours? B. USA. 20. What spring phenomenon turns California hillsides rainbow-colored? A. Superbloom. 21. Which flower did Venus use to bribe Cupid? Permits. C. Rose. 22. What's the world's largest flower, blooming in spring? A. Rafflesia. 23. Which country's spring festival includes egg fights? C. Greece. 24. What's the April birth flower? C. Daisy. 25. Which animal's babies are called kits in spring? A. Fox. 26. What do people dance around in German maypole festivals? B. A pole. 27. Which flower's bulbs were once more valuable than gold? C. Tulip. 28. What spring event made headlines in 2023 for flower bomb drones? A. Chelsea Flower Show. 29. What's Earth Day's symbol? C. Globe. 30. Which spring flower is a symbol of rebirth in Egypt? B. Lotus. How did you do? Drop your score below and share this quiz with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun. Until next time, keep blooming.